industry any attempts to have proper designations or some technical ways to say exactly, I mean, so that the client can see exactly, so how many, what the fabric is made of. I mean, it looks like it has it, but and also like where it comes from, for example, or for example, I'm very interested like in natural dyes or like organic cotton. So if you go so that you can buy a piece and you know, okay, the cotton is organic, the dyes are natural. And I mean, of course, with the natural dyes, it's even more complicated because there are so many ways of where some chemicals are, which ones are okay, or yeah. So are there any trends, or could you point out to what trends there are to have? I mean, Abbie said about their algorithms, and so I don't know, and also Molly, which kind of standards are there now, or people are working on?
Mm-hmm. I can talk about one that I find, well, there's quite a few that they're actually technology-based solutions. So my favourite is Oratane, who I actually originally met through Know the Origin at their event. So what they do is they go down to fibre level forensic analysis. So they literally measure the soil and they can determine, did that organic cotton come from country A, or did that organic cotton come from country B? And the way they do that is very much down to the soil. So they actually track really scientifically where that cotton is grown. There is some other sort of tech-based solutions such as blockchain, and that's the idea of like imprinting on the fiber, the trace of where that came from to map it across the supply chain. And I think these are some of the things that are going to be really important for us to actually get the veracity of information, to trust where stuff comes from, because even certified products have room for human error. So you know, it's going to be quite interesting to see how we can continue to partner with companies like that to really access the best data available.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Can you just spell out again what you meant? The one.
So I'm dyslexic, so I'm going to type it in here. I don't know if Molly, you had anything to add to that.
They are the things I was going to say, but like QR codes as well. Like a lot of sustainable businesses are doing these like QR codes that scan, kind of like attach to the label of the clothing. I think it's linked with blockchain, so you can scan it into your phone, and then it kind of traces it right back to like the point of the farm that the cotton was grown, which is super cool. Something we're exploring. In terms of like certifications, there's like GOTS certification, GOTS, I guess like the organic, fair trade. There's Better Cotton Initiative. They're kind of the ones that came to mind.